Flavor's the key. From the kitchen to the brew, we got what you need. Drizzle that oil, balsamic drinks. Coffee so bold, it'll fuel your schemes. Pop of ice, no walls to confine. We're not a restaurant, just food redefined. Craft sodas, fizz, tea leaves and wine. Brew and Feed, but taste the lead. Spices and sauces, got all that you need. Infusing every drop, we plant the seed. Brew and Feed, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Brew and Feed, oh yeah. Brew and Feed, Brew and Feed, Brew and Feed, Brew and Feed. Online with your pantry's best friend.